Now we shall see esterification reaction. In this reaction, formation of ester will take place from carboxylic acid and an alcohol. Then for this we will require test tube, beakers, burner, glacial ethanoic acid, ethanol, concentrated sulfuric acid. In a beaker we will take warm water, and in the test tube we will take 1 ml of ethanol, 1 ml of glacial ethanoic acid, and few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here concentrated sulfuric acid will act as a catalyst. It will not take part into actual reaction, but it will bring about fast reaction between ethanol and glacial ethanoic acid. So all these agents will be taken into the test tube, and the test tube will be immersed into the beaker filled with water, and then that water should be provided with it should be heated so that the water will become hot. So we requires warm water for the reaction to take place. Then the following reaction will take place, like this was ethanoic acid CH3COOH, it was ethanol CH3CH2OH, and then concentrated sulfuric acid. Then it resulted in the formation of ethyl ethanoate. So this ethyl ethanoate is an ester. So see what have happened over here. This group is as it as CH3COO, only H is removed from this, and in that place this CH3CH2 group has come. Then this H will combine with this OH group, and it will result into formation of water as a byproduct. So this is how the esters are going to be formed. You can take any other carboxylic acid and any other alcohol and try to form various kinds of esters for practice. Then these esters have sweet odor, and this is the reason why most of the fruits have sweet odor just of the presence of particular esters. And these esters are used for making fragrances and flavoring agents, and when this esters reacts with alkali like sodium hydroxide, it will give us corresponding alcohol and carboxylic acid into the form of its salt. That means we will get salt and alcohol. Then this reaction, this kind of reaction in which the esters reacts with alkalis to give us salt, carboxylate, sodium carboxylate as a salt, and alcohol, this reaction is known as saponification. And this kind of reaction is used for preparation of soap from fats, because the fats consist of fatty acids. That means again there is presence of carboxylic acid group into the fat. So you can take any ester and then you will take sodium hydroxide. It will result in formation of sodium carboxylate. This sodium carboxylate is nothing but it is a salt, and alcohol will be formed. So this entire reaction will be known as saponification. So this is how the soaps are formed. Now I'll give you one example over here. See, this is ethyl acetate. It is an ester. If it is reacting with any of which this is an alkali, it will give a sodium acetate. That means this group will react with OH, and instead of that group Na will come, and this is how sodium acetate will form, and then we will get ethanol. So this reaction is known as saponification reaction. So practice all this reaction properly, and try to practice, try to take more carboxylic acids, react it with alcohol, and then you will get various kinds of esters. And when the same esters it reacts with any alkali like sodium hydroxide, it results in the formation of any carboxylate, sodium carboxylate, which is a salt, and alcohol. So that process is known as saponification. So rest of the things we shall study into our next video. Till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.